right, what we're gonna make now is our strawberries and cream overnight chia oatmeal. This is a great recipe you can make ahead of time, leave in the fridge overnight, quick grab and go in the morning. So super simple. We're just using 1/2 a packet of our strawberries and cream oatmeal. Right in a mason jar, any other glass container. A little bit of chia seeds. A little bit of vanilla whey protein. Greek yogurt. And our vanilla protein drink. Gonna give this a good stir, top it with plastic or the lid of the container, let it sit overnight, it's ready to go in the morning. All right, now our overnight oats have sat in the refrigerator overnight. The oats have absorbed everything else in there. It's got a nice kind of set up texture, ready to go for the morning. All we're gonna do is top it with some fresh berries. It's all ready to go.